So 15 years ago, if you were to tell a young, naive, grade 10, Robin Fosse, that she's going to be at Alex Burdett's wedding, she would have said, yeah, duh, I'm the bride.
Soft drinks and parties too. Like a pretty girl goes for Elvis, that's the way I go for you. Like lovers go for a full moon, pretty little stars above. That's the way I go for you, pretty little girl, and I like your kind of love. Yes, I like your kind of love.
Okay, Lex. When I sat down to write these, I was overcome with feelings and things I wanted to tell you. The feeling I felt the most when thinking of you, though, was gratitude.
I can almost slow down my breathing.
I'm grateful for the person that you are. I have just as much fun doing the little mundane things with you as I do traveling the world or completely gutting and renovating a house.
Listen to the birds in the treetops.
Lexi, I adore you. Your advice is something I will always seek out and value in all aspects of my life. Whether we're crushing root beers or red wine, pranked singing on a stage, or cozied up in sweatpants, there's no one I'd rather do it all with. Big or small, all of my most special memories have your smile in them.
Let the air go in and out. Calm yourself down. You might not take the time if you don't start now. Oh, calm yourself down.
I can turn? It's exactly what I think. You look beautiful.
What do you think?
I love it.
Do you want to see that?
Yes.
Like a lifeboat
Holy
when
shit.
it lost its sea.
Looks amazing.
I will carry you
No.
to breathe. Should you rise
You look so hot.
but you can't sleep. My love, don't let go. Hold on to me. My love, don't let go. Hold on to me.
Lexi and Alex, you've known each other since you were kids in high school. You knew then that there was something special between you, a spark. Alex, you felt it the first time you saw Lexi in the hallway outside the gym and thought, wow, who's that cute little thing? I've watched the two of you and your relationship grow and mature in the years since then. I saw you take time to spread your wings and find yourselves as individuals and return to one another knowing that you were meant to be together.
I will hold you when the stars fade out. I will catch you when the tears fall down.
Alex, I'm so beyond proud of the person you've become. You make me feel so special, loved, and thought of every single day. I love the life we've built together. Let's promise to never stop grocery shopping together, going to the gym together, putting the queen sheets on our bed together, cooking supper together, rearranging our tired days just so we can drive into the city together. But together is exactly where I want to be. Probably the easiest promise I can make to you is to never stop laughing and loving life with you. You're the absolute best teammate in life, and together we can take on the world. I love you.
2, 3, pop!
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may seal your love with a kiss. Friends and family for the first time, as a married couple, Alex and Lexi.
And to my husband,
Living my best life.
we did it.
Living my best
First time as husband and wife,
please give it up for Lexi and Alex.
Alex, I'm truly excited for yours and Lexi's marriage and can't wait to start the next chapter of our lives, helping and supporting one another as we go. Let's raise a glass to joining these two people and these two families. Such a great honor for me to be part of this day. Katie and I love you both. Cheers.